National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Palos Hills, Yorkville, Lamont, Burr Ridge, Lisle, Darien, and Crest Hill. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 255 and 273. Interstate 80 between mile markers 131 and 140. Interstate 88 between mile markers 118 and 125. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 16. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, University of St. Francis, Aurora University, Benedictine University, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.